Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the grade feed. The grade feed is a great tool that allows teachers to view their students' responses and provide feedback in one go. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged into your account, you'll see a red dot at the top of your screen right next to the grade feed icon. This means that your students have completed work for you to review. You can also view your class's specific grade feed by clicking everything at the top and clicking Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, choose your class, and then click the Grade Feed button in the top right corner. Please note, in order to use the grade feed, your class's feedback mode must be set to either Suggested or Automatic. You can change these settings or check them under the Details tab of your class page. Once you have made the change, make sure to click the blue Save button at the bottom. If you make any changes to your feedback mode, only the lessons that you assign since the change will be marked in that new feedback mode. Once you have clicked the grade feed, you'll see the responses awaiting your review. If your class's feedback mode is set to automatic, you can find the responses under Graded. Use the drop-down menu to filter by class. You can also click the Date button to filter by date. Please note that any items sitting in the grade feed for longer than 1 month are removed. You can still find these results from the lesson planner of your class page. Click a response to begin. At the top, you'll see your student's name and the class that they are in. You also see the lesson, the task, and the date they submitted this task. To the left is the question and the student's answer. You can also click this blue button to see the reference for the lesson. Because this class's feedback mode was set to suggested, the Ellii bot has suggested a comment to send and has suggested a score. You can leave this as is and send the feedback directly to your student by clicking the blue Send button, or you can make any changes. You can use the sliding tool to change the score, you can click the stars, or you can edit the comment directly. You also have the option to leave spoken feedback for your student by clicking the red Record button at the bottom. Once you've made your changes, click the blue Send button to move on to the next task to mark. Any work that you have already graded or that has been graded by the Ellii bot, you can find under the Graded tab. In the top right corner is the Dismiss All button. Clicking this clears your grade feed. This does not mark the responses for you, this just removes everything from the grade feed. You can find these responses from your lesson planner. For teachers using the manual feedback mode for their class, there still is the option to use the Ellii bot every once in a while. Once you click on a task that is asked of you to mark, you can have the Ellii bot step in by clicking the Auto Grade button. Once you click this button, the Ellii bot will generate a comment and a score. You can review this, make any changes, and then click the blue Send button to send it to your students. That's it for this video on how to use the grade feed. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.